All right, today's date is December 14th, 2021. In Crosby County, Texas, I call cause number 7638 in the interest of Adriana Cabri Lopez. What says the state?
Ready on a default, Your Honor.
All right, present by audio and video is is Annalisa Lopez. Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me this down quickly. The court's file reflects that Michael Munoz was served with notice of these proceedings back on October 15th of 2021. There's been no answer or appearance on behalf of Mr. Munoz. This hearing was originally set at 10:15 and it's now approximately 10:30. So we're proceeding to default. In fact, Mr. Bunacek, you have some information about Mr. Munoz, isn't that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the information I was able to find on a publicly available searchable database, and that's listed as the TDCJ Offender Information Search, I'm showing that Mr. Munoz is currently incarcerated in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division with a projected release date of November 9th, 2030.
All right, and you will submit the TDCJ information sheet?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want that marked and admitted as Exhibit 1?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, that marked and admitted as State's number 1.
Okay.
You may call your witness.
I call Annalisa Lopez.
Ms. Lopez, do you solemnly swear that or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Mr. Bunacek.
Ms. Lopez, you're the mother of Adriana, the child that this suit is about. Is that correct?
Yes.
And who is Adriana's father?
Michael Munoz.
And was Mr. Munoz previously ordered to pay child support and medical support for Adriana?
Yes.
I believe he was ordered to pay $174 in child support and $35 in medical support. Is that correct?
I guess. I don't really remember.
Has it been a while since he paid?
A very long while.
Okay. And in fact, he's built up some arrearages. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you familiar with the Attorney General's pay records?
Yes.
And currently his pay record is showing that he is behind in child support in the amount of $13,839.10. That's as of November 30th, 2021. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
And also as of November 30th, 21, that he's behind in medical support in the amount of $3,108.64. Is that also your understanding?
Yes.
I also understand you had a previous non-disclosure order keeping your address and other contact information out of the order. Is that correct?
Yes.
Did you want to request that that continue?
Yes.
Have you had any contact with Mr. Munoz in some time?
No, yeah, it's been a really long time.
Okay. All right. Do you have any other things that you want to bring to the court's attention?
Nope.
Okay.
Do you happen to know what he was convicted of?
I can pull up his information sheet right now, Your Honor. Give me just one moment.
Ms. Lopez, do you happen to know?
No, I know he's gotten in trouble for a lot of things, so I'm not
Okay.
really sure what this one was about.
All right. Anything else you want me to know, Ms. Lopez?
I don't think so.
Then based on the evidence and the testimony before me, then I'm granting a money judgment for the arrearages on the child support and on the medical support. You may determine the payment rate, Mr. Bunacek. And I'm buying the child support to start at 0 as of January 1st of 2022. And I'm granting the non-disclosure. So Ms. Lopez's information will not be contained in the court order. Is there any, and court costs are waived. Is there any other relief I need to address?
No, Your Honor, just for the court's information on the Texas Department of Criminal Justice information sheet, it's showing that Mr. Munoz was convicted of aggravated robbery in Lubbock and sentenced to 10 years in TDCJ.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, then Mr. Bunachek's going to prepare that order for my signature. I will sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which you can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of the district judge and she'd start all over and make her own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final and you should get a copy in the mail, Ms. Lopez, within about 2 weeks, either by email or regular mail. If you don't, call rural Lubbock AG's office and remind them to send you one, okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you and Adriana, and thank you so much, Ms. Lopez.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.